This is the Wilboken pressure valve, pressure switch I should say. We're the champion compressor. We're using this serial number A27 to date this compressor 1927. Anyway, woo, the red paint just scraped off, so I'm going to clean as much of it off as I can and probably just repaint it black, touch paint it. I don't think I'm going to strip all this black paint. It's original to the switch. The points, contactors or whatever, they go on this this stud here. It was the hardest part to figure out. They didn't want to come off, and I'm not sure how they were supposed to come off. Anyway, here's the Bakelite switch. Looks pretty well worn, but I think it's going to work. If I can get it back together. This rod here, this rod here is for the unloader. It activates and deactivates the unloader through the back of the box. This goes in like this to the box. There's a gauge, one of the springs with an adjustment on it, some mechanical linkage, the diaphragm cover plate, got all the screws in it. There's the diaphragm. I put air to it. I put 100 pounds to it. It goes back and forth, in and out, so I may luck out. This thing might work. Here's a Jesus pin. Sometimes they call them Jesus Christ pins when you lose them. Another spring. Here's the unloader valve. That doesn't work real well, but it's got access to clean it out, I guess. This is the bell crank mechanism to open and shut the points. Okay, thanks for watching my video.